What is going on, YouTube? I am back again. I do apologize for this long hiatus I've been taking. I will be back very soon. I just wanted to put this video out to give y'all an update of what's been going on and what I've been doing. Just to start off, it has been some of the best couple of months that I've had in a while. Had to take a break. Garden did well. However, we did lose the garden towards the mid of the summer because I am in Southwest Texas and it gets hot. Too hot. It burned out everything. Everything was covered. Everything was kept cool. This summer was one of the hottest summers. I wasn't prepared for it. However, it did prepare me for the future, and it did cause me to start doing a little bit more planning. Now, the best thing about this is it caused me to go ahead and do a little bit more research on the land, which it's not here. Don't worry, it's not in this area. The land is in the mountains. This is down in a valley in Texas. So, we went ahead, looked at weather patterns, doing that stuff. It actually got me started on a deeper track than what I was already on. So, as you know, we have the homestead. However, I was looking to find better ways, to be sustainable out there, and it actually opened my eyes to something else. So, I actually did start going back to school for my second degree. This time I'm actually going to be doing environmental science, which it goes very deep, because we all know, yes, we have the homesteads to be sustainable. However, if we don't know the effects that we're doing to the planet, it doesn't really help. Now, I'm not saying anybody has to go out and do this. It's just the choice that I made so I could be better informed on these things. Now, I also, started doing more homestead type things. I'm actually going to start bringing some more videos out. I have soap making videos coming out. I have home remedy videos coming out. Just of all kinds of things. Just letting you know of all these natural resources that you can use, to be sustainable. At first I was looking into the future just for, making it better for myself, and it kind of got my eyes open a little bit more, so, how we can help the world in the long run. However, when we get off that tip, it is, about the homestead. That is the main thing. But it just letting you know, it is more stuff, more information going to be coming out, fresh information. Everything is going to be trial by error, as I stated in the first video. I do thank you all for staying subscribed and staying patient with me. I'm pretty sure you all know how these things go. But I do just want to let you know that I am back. You will start getting videos again. It will be more frequently. I got a lot of material that I want to put out. And once again, I just thank you all. So just stay tuned. 40 Acre Homestead AZ.